all, in this video we are discussing about very important data type in Python, that is nothing but string. So now we will see what is a string, and then we will see how to declare a string, and then how to what are all the different ways to create a string. All those things we can see in this video. So let's get started. So what is a string? Basically, a string is nothing but a sequence of characters. Okay, sequence of characters taken within a single quotes or double quotes. Okay, within single quotes or double quotes. Here in Python, we have that luxury. We can take a string either in double quotes or single quotes. It's completely up to us. Okay. So in that way, we can create a string in Python. So let us see the example. Okay. Now I have created a string called as yes, and the string is nothing but Vijay Nehant. Okay, Vijay Nehant is the string which I have created. See here in the first one I have created with the single quotes. Okay, I have created with the single quotes, and in the next one I have created with the double quotes. Okay, I have created with the double quotes. Now in Python we have that luxury. Okay, we can use any one. Okay, if we like single quotes most, then we can use single quotes, or otherwise double quotes. Okay, so we can use both. So let me open IDLE and create a string for you. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is the Python IDLE. Here I can start writing the code. Okay, the concept today is a string. So what I'm doing now is I'm creating a string called as Vijay Nehant. Okay, I have created a string called as Vijay Nehant. Let me print the string. So this is the string what I have created. Now I want to check. Okay, now if I want to check whether the data type is string or not, so how can I check? By using the function called as type of. Okay, by using the function called as type of, I can check whether this is a string or not. Okay, type of yes is nothing but a string, obviously. Okay, now before I told you this concept, right? So what I told you, in string we can take either single quotes or double quotes. So let's prove that now. Okay, in the in the first one I have taken the single quotes. Now I'm taking the double quotes. Let's see how this will work. Okay, Vijay. Okay, see, even before also, okay, it is coming same. Now also it is taking as same. That means in Python it is completely up to us. Okay, it's completely up to us whether if you are interested in single quotes we can take that. If you are interested in double quotes, even that is also fine. Okay, but if we think over smart, and if you are doing something like this, opening with single quotes and closing with the double quotes, here it will be a problem. Okay, this will be a problem. So with what you are opening, with the same thing you need to close. Okay, so please keep that in mind. Okay, next thing is nothing but now one thing is like, is it mandatory to take only alphabets in a string? No, in Python we can take anything. Okay, we can take alphabets like ABC, and also we can take numbers like 1 2 3, and also we can take some special characters like @ $count. Of course those things are also allowed. Okay, it's not mandatory that we need to take only alphabets in a string. Okay, we can take anything of our choice. So let's print this and see. See, this is the string what I have created with all three kinds of data. One is with the alphabets, other one is the numerics, and then special characters. Okay, I have included all those three in one string, and that is completely possible in Python. Okay, now let us discuss this node point. Okay, let us discuss this node point. Yeah, first let me discuss this node point, and then we will go to the next one. What is the node point? Means in most of the other programming languages, okay, if in most of the other programming languages like C, C++, Java, in those programming languages, for single character, okay, if a string contains a single character, then it has a separate data type. Okay, if a string contains a single character, then it has a separate data type called as char. Char means nothing but character. Okay, if your data is contain only single length character, then it has the special data type known as character, char. Okay, like this. But in Python you guys should understand that we don't have that kind of concept here. Okay, even if it is single length also, okay, even if it is single length character also, Python will consider that as a string only. Okay, Python will consider that also as a string only. Okay, we don't have char data type in Python. Please make a note of that. So let me prove that point. I have created a string called yes, and the variable name is, and the data is m. Okay, it is a single length character. Now let me print the type of this yes. Even here also it is a string only. Okay, that means even if you take single length, okay, even if you take single length character, even that is also considered as a string in Python. Okay, now we are moving to the next concept called as how to define multi-line string literals. Okay, how to define multi-line string literals. Okay, multi-line string literals means, okay, if we have a string which contains multiple lines, okay, which contains multiple lines, then what we will do? Okay, if a string contains multiple lines of data, then what in that scenario what we will do? We have to take either in triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Okay, we can take either in triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Let me prove that with an example and then see how it will work in real time. Okay, the first one is, suppose I am creating a string called as Herman connected services. Okay, suppose this is my string. This string I can take in either triple single quotes, okay, in either triple single quotes, or else sometimes I can take like this. Okay, I can take either in triple single quotes or I can take in a triple double quotes also. It's completely up to my wish. Okay, I can take either in triple single quotes or triple double quotes. So both these are acceptable. So let me show you how this will work in real time. Okay, so now, okay, let me open a file and show you. Suppose this is the file, and here I am creating a multi-line string letter. Okay, I am printing this string. Let me run and show you. See, this is a string which is present in multiple lines. Okay, now I can take either in a triple single quotes or else I can take in a triple double quotes also. Okay, so let me run and show you. See, I can take either in triple single quotes or triple double quotes also. Sometimes what happens, if you think over smart and take opening with triple single quotes and closing with the triple double quotes, in this case, see what happens. See, it is showing an error saying that unterminated triple quoted string literal. That means it is not acceptable. Okay, in this way we cannot take anything. Okay, with what we opened, with the same thing only we need to close. Okay, so like that we can create strings in both multiple length and single length, and also multiple lines of strings. Okay, in this way we can create strings in Python. I hope all of you understand this concept. Thank you very much. Bye.